Yeah. Yan ang nagustuhan ko sa sa IPAS. Even nung first take ko, kasi before ka mag-exam, they have this psychometrician and maganda siya lalo na kapag under stress ka na kasi palapit ng exam eh. Maganda siyang outlet. Tapos ang support, very good ang support ng rather hindi lang kundi excellent support ang meron ang IPAS.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to iPass Online Review and Mentoring Academy. My name is John, and I'll be your host for tonight. Here at Hope Talk, we invite successful iPass Online Review candidates and the NCLEX to share their wonderful stories and learnings from their journey in achieving the goals of becoming registered nurses in the USA, Canada, and Australia. We are also live on our Facebook page. Kindly like, share, and follow. I'm thrilled to introduce you to who has just achieved a major milestone in her career by passing the NCLEX exam. Her journey to success is one filled with determination, perseverance, and an unyielding passion of nursing. No pain, no gain. Join us as we delve into her inspiring journey, learning valuable lessons, and drawing inspiration from her unwavering determination and resilience. And with that, I would like to introduce to you our newest NGN passer, Ms. Nonalyn Aragon, USRN.
Good evening, fellow nurses in the Philippines. Hi, good morning and good afternoon to other parts of the world. Yeah, it's actually 4 o'clock in the morning here in California. Good morning.
Thank you, Ms. Nona, for accepting our invitation for this Hope Talk.
Oh,
And
yeah.
I know it's still too early for you to attend this, and we appreciate your
Oh,
time and your
yeah.
presence today.
Yes,
We
yes.
are very humble and very excited to know your stories. Could you share us
Okay.
your educational background and your working experiences, please?
I graduated year 2008 and I earned my Bachelor of Science in Nursing in Ateneo de Naga University. I took my exam November 2008 and then it was released by the PRC February 2009. And just 1 year, I became a volunteer nurse in Bicol Medical Center in Naga City. At that time, karamihan nun volunteer nurse. I think karamihan ng hospital, nagbabayad pa kami noon para makakuha ng experience. Yes,
Oh, yeah.
yes, nagbabayad kami noon. Yeah, super struggle. Struggle talaga. And then, after a year, I became a clinic nurse for 2 years in Sorsogon because my parents are both Sorsoganons and there's a job opening there, so I took my chance. Then that's it. And then in the year 2012, I came back to Kamsur, and then I applied in ND. At that time it's RN Hills in DOH. It's RN Hills before. It's RN Hills. So just 1 year. Noon kasi ang DOH, yung RN Hills, hindi siya yung duro-diretso. After a year, hindi ka na muna pwedeng mag-apply. So, ang ginawa ko noon, I took a hybrid work, admin assistant in a construction firm kasi need ko noon money eh. So yun, hybrid work for 3 years. Hybrid work because there were times that I go to the physical work and then most of my time remote work. And then in the year 2016, I applied again as NDP. After a year, we opened a business with my husband and my son at that time became sickly. So, naging full-time mama ko noon tapos nag-aasikaso kami noon ng business namin. So, yun. But then, when the COVID-19 struck in year 2020, yeah, naku, ano talaga, bumagsak yung negosyo. Masyadong negative yung nangyari. So, napilitan ako, sabi ko, what if kung bumalik ulit ako sa, sa DOH? Kasi wala na talaga. And then, in the year 2022, bumalik ako as a health program officer, DOH. And then, a year after, naging NDP ulit ako. And then, last year, dumating yung petition namin here sa US.
Mm.
Yes, we just arrived last August and then that's it. When I came here, oh my gosh, my mom said, "Oh, Nona, I think you need to take your exam. Yeah, you failed once, but then you still have a chance." Then yun, dahil dun sa bunganga ni mama, well, in fact, reminder, as a nanay. So sabi ko, oh, sige, 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 mag-e-exam ako, mag-e-exam ako. So, yun. Last year, October, I paid the full amount for the online review. It's actually in the mid of October. And then, yun, nag-start ako doon. Then that's it. In fact, it was a struggle since we're very new here. The culture is very different. The food is very different. Oh my gosh. Yeah, walang rice. My God, walang rice. Oh, walang rice dito.
Oh,
And then, di yun. And then, malamig. The weather here is very different than there in the Philippines. And then, my son, he's having a problem because, well, at school, so, isa pa yun sa nakakapastress sa akin. We have no jobs. So, yun. So, halo-halo. Last November, buti na lang, may tumulong sa amin na Pilipino din. So, nakapasok kami nung kapatid ko. Well, we're both graduates of nursing. So, we had a health background. So, the manager in the kitchen in a post-rehab nursing facility, she hired us because of our background. And then that's it. That's our first job as kitchen aide here in US. Yeah. Syempre hindi ka na magpipili kasi I have a son to feed. We also have to pay the bills. And then 3 months after, I passed the exam as certified nursing assistant, same facility. And then while working as CNA, I was reviewing in NCLEX. And then 2 weeks before my exam, I told the director of staff development that I won't be working for 2 weeks because of my upcoming exam. Then that's it. Then last March 14, I passed. For second time.
thank you so
Yes.
much, Miss Nona, for sharing your journey with us. And may I ask, when was the first time that you had your NCLEX exam?
May 4, 2021.
Oh, it has been almost 4 years.
Yeah. Well, supposedly, kung hindi nag-COVID, dapat sana April 2020. And then, it was rescheduled October. And then, it was rescheduled again, that one, the May 4th, 2021.
And what was the difference during the first time that you encounter taking the old format of the NCLEX comparing to the new format of NCLEX? What was the
Okay.
biggest adjustment that you had?
The biggest adjustment, for me, more questions, the bow tie, then that's it. Same yung difficulty ko, even nung first, yung select all that apply, yun pa din, that's my weakest part, the select all that apply. And then, yung new generation na type, pinag-aralan ko yun dun sa Archer. Kasi I use Archer. Plus, yung itinuro ni na Sir Jay, ni na Ma'am Leona, kung paano aatakihin yung question na ganun. Yan, nakatatak yun. So, halo-halo yung ano nila, yung itinuro. Oo.
Mm-mm.
Tapos yung application ko dun na mismo sa Archer when I was practicing questions. Then that's it. I know that I answered correctly those NGN questions. Kasi ano basta alam ko, basta nafe-feel kong alam ko. Karamihan kasi during my exam, most of the questions, I already answered it in Archer. I don't know. Maybe it's God's blessing. And then, same difficulty. When I took the first exam, then the second, select all that apply again. The computer, oh my God, the computer bombarded me with lots of select all that apply. And then, it keeps on the difficulty level. Tumataas talaga. Sabi ko, oh my God, Diyos ko. Sabi ko, grabe. Even the room was so cold. I can feel that I'm sweating a lot. And then, in fact, I have a friend before, she advised me, well, she's USRN. She advised me na kapag pala binibigyan ka ng pahirap ng computer, ibig sabihin tumatama ka. Ibig sabihin malaki ang chance mo na makapasa. So, yun, nung natapos ako, I thought talaga hindi ako nakapasa. Kasi sa totoo lang nahihiya ako pero natapos ako ng questions 150. So, I thought talaga, oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna take again for another exam. And then 2 days after, yun, na-remember ko yung advice nung kaibigan ko. Kasi nahirapan talaga ako dun sa select all that apply. Parang naisip ko nga, I think the computer has its own mind. It knows what's your weakness. And that's it. The select all that apply. And then I remember, it's a flashback, the advice of my friend, kapag pahirap ng pahirap yung ibinibigay sa'yo ng computer, malaki ang chance mong makapasa. Kaya, alam mo yun, parang malakas din yung loob ko na I know that I can pass, that I pass the test. That's it.
Thank you, Miss Nora, for sharing. At
Mhm.
least now we have an idea for our classmates who
Mhm.
are retakers. At least they know what to expect for this next generation NCLEX.
Oh yeah,
And I
yeah.
know SATA is initially, I mean, in the beginning stage, you will
Mhm.
hate SATA, but
Oh
eventually
yeah.
you will love SATA.
Yes. Yes. In
Yeah.
fact, hindi siya maiiwasan. You can have a detours. The
Yeah.
computer will surely give you more select all that apply questions. Yeah.
Yes, that's why we advise on the first 10 to 15 questions that the computer has given you, you have to do your best because
Oh
that's
yeah.
how the computer will assess your knowledge
Mm-hmm.
and the difficulty of the questions. And wala, ano, parehas tayo, Miss Nona. I also ended my questions at 150. So I had the same feeling.
So you feel me.
Yes, I
Yeah.
really do feel you.
Mhm.
But at the end of the day, after taking the NCLEX exam, you just have to trust the
Oh
knowledge
yeah.
that you have during
Mhm.
the NCLEX period or your
Oh yeah.
NCLEX preparation. So, Miss
Mhm.
Nona, we want to know how many months did you prepare for this exam? You mentioned you enrolled in the review program last October, right?
Yes.
And
Oh
you took the
yeah.
exam around March.
Yes. I started mid of October, and then nung November na, nakakasunod pa ako. I still follow the schedule in the Moodle calendar. Yeah. But then when our manager in the kitchen gave me, oh my goodness, a full-time schedule for
Oh.
work, yeah, hindi na ako nakakasabay. Hindi na
Mm.
talaga. I started working at 6 o'clock in the morning, so I have to get up at 4 because I'm preparing for my breakfast and also for my son. Then that's it. And then I'm gonna travel. Pagdating sa bahay, wala na pagod na ako. Nakakapagod pala magtrabaho sa kitchen. Halos hindi kami makaupo. It's
Mm.
very tiring. By December, last year, December, I asked my husband, sabi ko, oh my goodness, Gilbert, I think I have no time to review. What should I do? Then sabi niya, well, I don't know. Ano ba ang diskarte mo? So napaisip ako. Tapos alam mo yun, yung parang napabuntong hininga na lang ako. Tinanong ko ang Diyos, sabi ko, God, paano daw to? Nakabayad na ako ng full. Paano ako makapag-review? Parang may isang snap na pumasok sa isip ko. Eh di bumili ka ng roadmap na book. Tapos sabi ko, may roadmap na book. Sabi ko, oo. Tapos, yun na, nag-message na ako dun sa iPass online sa Facebook. Tapos yun, sinabi na sa akin kung how much, tapos how much kung i-FedEx, gano'n, 5,000 plus ang nagastos ko. And then, nung inano ko nga, ni-review ko, November 29 ako nag-inquire, November 30, isinip, and then I
Mm.
received it last December 4. And then upon receiving it, nagsabi ako na, oh, andito na. And then yun, hindi pa ako nakapag-study. Pagbalik ko na naman, mga ilang days, na ano ako, kasi nung, di ba, nakapag-aral naman ako October and November. And then I have this, same nung PNLE tayo, may mga nakalagay na mga mga dito sa wall. Tapos na-overwhelm ako. Tapos ang kalat-kalat pa ng anak ko. Tapos yung mga libro, oh my God, ayoko nito. Naiinis ako, nababad trip ako. Ang ginawa ko, tinanggal ko. Tapos nag-ayos ako. Yung gusto ko yung makaisip ako ng mabuti. And then yun, hanggang sa, yun, malinis na. Naisip ko, sabi ko, I need to start studying roadmap. And then, sundin ko kung ano yung inano ni Coach
Genesis.
Mark Zaspa.
Ah,
Meron siya
okay.
bigay ng mga schedule ng mga topics to review. Sinunod ko yun. Pero hindi na ako nakakasunod nun at that time with the team replay ha. Hindi na ako. Kaya all throughout ng review, inano ko para dun sa theory, sa topics, only roadmap, walang iba. Kasi kapag galing ka na sa trabaho, bugbog na, tapos
Yeah.
nagbibiyahe ka pa, hindi na kaya ng ng katawan. So, pagdating ko dito, I don't know, effective sa akin ang roadmap. Very effective. Tapos, nag-aaral ako dito lang sa room. Wala akong ibang place na pag-aralan. Dito lang. Talagang lang ako. Basta
Same
secluded
spot.
ako sa lahat. Oo, oo. Kaya very thankful ako sa roadmap. And I highly encourage dear fellow nurses that you use the roadmap.
Thank
Yeah,
you
it's
for
very
sharing,
effective.
Miss Nona,
It's
for
very effective.
encouraging po our classmates in using the
Yes.
roadmap. I
Mhm.
myself use the roadmap now during my preparation of NCLEX,
Mhm.
and it's really helpful, no? Most especially if you have done all the recorded and the live sessions.
Oh, yeah.
Then also you have to read something, not only
Mhm.
just focusing on the recorded. You have to do self-review as well.
Yeah.
This is how you used to organize and
Oh, yeah.
prioritize your study materials. So
Oh,
on top
yes.
of roadmap, any other review materials did you use?
Oh, yeah. I use Mark Klimek. And for the Q banks, I use the Archer. I purchased the SurePass combo. Then that's it. And then dun sa Archer, in fact, hindi lang Archer. You can use UWorld, other QBanks, materials. My point is, sagutan nyo yung CAT, yung Computer Adaptive Test. Tapos tingnan nyo kung yung graph is tumataas. And then, pay attention to the topics that you're very weak. Kasi nung during coaching, si Coach Jen, maganda si Coach Jen kasi inano niya yun, inisa-isa niya, sabi niya, oh ito, Ma'am Nona, tingnan mo to. Kasi tingnan mo, ang baba-baba ng ano. Ako, oo nga pala, oo nga pala. So yun, what I mean is, hindi lang dapat tayo sagot lang ng sagot. Titingnan natin yung mga doon, yung mga topics, tapos yung mga categories. Yan, the term is categories kung saan tayo mababa. Mababa ako sa pharma. Pero sa totoo lang, nasagot ko yung mga pharma during my exam. It's because during practice question, nalaman ko kung ano yung weakness ko. Yun ang napag-aaralan ko. Tapos ang tagal-tagal ko kaya mag-study ng rationale. Maybe because during my review, nafe-feel ko na parang mahina pa ako sa theory. So, I focus more on the rationale, lalong-lalo na dun sa mga mali ako. Kasi mali yung ko yung pagkaintindi ko. Kapag sumasagot ka nung kapag binibigyan ka na ng question, parang reading comprehension yung gustong itanong sa'yo. Tapos minsan nga common sense na sabi ko, my God, na mali pa ako. Ito pala yung sagot. Sabi ko, naku, reading comprehension, Nona. Oo. Be particular. Sagutin lang kung ano yung itinatanong. Kung ano yung itinatanong o hinihingi ng question, yun lang yung sagutin. Huwag na kayong magtanong, ay, bakit ganito? No, 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 no.
Mm-mm.
First instinct, yun na yun. Yun ang pali.
Thank you, Miss Nona, for sharing. No? Alam mo, kanina na-mention mo about having work and studying at the same time. Talagang medyo struggle talaga tayo during this time. Kasi you have to know the adjustment period. You really need to know kung, you have to experiment the things na ano yung mag-work sa inyo. So, ayan guys, ang dami nating tips na nakuha from Miss Nona with regards to reading the rationals. So, it's really important when you do your practice questions, you have to read the rationals because you might not know, baka lumabas din sa exam niyo. That's why I know it will take time for you to read the rationals. But it's important for you to read the rationals kasi it will add knowledge to you. So these are some solid understanding that we have to impart during this preparation period. Most especially, no, when you read the questions, you have to make sure na kung ano lang nga lang yung tinatanong, yun din yung kailangan nating sagutan. So do not overthink. Do not add on to the questions. So these are the things that we can work on during your NCLEX preparation period. So Miss Nona, may I ask, how do you ensure po that you had a solid understanding of the concept mastery?
When I was answering the computer adaptive test, yeah, I took four. I only failed once. And Coach Jen knew that. I showed her my performance and she knows. Oo. So, sa tingin ko, dun pa lang, alam ko. And pala, nung nag-ano ako ng computer adaptive test, nafe-feel ko na parang exam ko na.
Wow.
Kinakabahan ako. Oo, oo. Feel na feel ko talagang exam na.
That's why
Ganun.
every time you do your practice
Yes,
question, you have to visualize yourself. Now, this
oh, yeah.
is your actual exam.
And also, yung kasi, yung ginamit kong sa QBank, ang maximum niya lang is 85 items. So, Coach Jen advised me to increase the number of items daily by
Yeah.
For example, I answered 85 items. And then the following day, you answered, ma'am, no, na another 15 items hanggang sa na maano mo yung 150 items. Oo,
Yes.
tapos sabi ko kay Coach Jen, paano yung Coach Jen, natatagalan nga ako ng ano sa rationale. Sabi niya, well, gawin mo kasi ang exam is 150 items. Sabi ko, uy,
Yeah.
oo naman, oo. Oo. Kaya yun, lahat ng advice ni Coach Jen, sinunod ko. And then
Thank you,
that's it.
Miss Nom.
Naging USRN ako. Oo.
I'm really proud of you, no? That's why having some advices from your coaches really
Mhm.
helps our students para
Mhm.
ma-ensure yung quality input nila or
Oh, yeah.
ninyo po for this entire review season. So, since you mentioned Coach Jen Ellis, how
Mhm.
did Coach Jen help you in achieving your USRN?
First, yung mga advices, sinunod ko yon. And then, second, yung encouragement na kaya mo yan, ganyan. And natutuwa pa ako and medyo na ano ako kay ma'am kasi ay kay coach kasi same kami, year 2008 graduate. So sabi ko, oh,
Ah,
magkabatch pala tayo. Sabi niya, oo.
uh,
Tapos sabi ko, sana coach, maging USRN na din ako. Sabi ko, oo, kaya mo yan. Basta, itong gagawin mo, itong gagawin mo. Ganun. So, yeah, take patience. Kahit po, kung halimbawa man, ang magiging coach nyo is medyo young sa inyo, well, wala USRN sila, kayo hindi pa. So, kung gusto nyong makapasa, di dapat yung mindset nila, dapat mindset nyo din. Yun ang thinking ko noon eh. Sinunod ko kung ano yung kasi gusto ko maging USRN, so that's it.
Thank you, Miss Nona, for encouraging our classmates, no, to avail their coaches. No
Oh yeah.
matter what the race is, anong
Yeah.
age yung coach,
Mm-hmm.
as long as we help one another,
Oh
that's
yeah.
our main goal. Eh. We are
Mm-hmm.
just one community. Who
Mm-hmm.
else can we lean on is just to support each other. 'Di ba ang mga coaches po natin, it doesn't mean na they are already an USRN. Ano naman po yan eh, parang we wanted to help our students or our classmates to also experience the
Yeah.
same feeling that we have encountered, no? Or the
Yeah.
success that we have.
Mm-hmm.
Because again, we are just one community.
Mm-hmm.
We help one
Yeah.
another.
Yeah. Yan ang nagustuhan ko sa IPAS. Even nung first take ko, kasi before ka mag-exam, they have this psychometrician and maganda siya, lalo na kapag under stress ka na kasi palapit ng exam eh. Maganda siyang outlet. Tapos ang support, very good ang support ng, rather, hindi lang, kundi excellent support ang meron ang IPAS.
Thank you, Miss Nona.
Mhm.
And I'm very happy din po na experience siya po yung the best feeling or the best experience that you had in IPAS. Because
Oh yeah.
we only don't provide the psychometrician. We also provide coaches, of course, our lectures, most importantly.
Mhm.
And, we have anxiety management class and the trending
Mhm.
topics.
Oh yeah.
So, we provide everything as long as we can para,
Oh yeah.
alam mo yun, prepared talaga si student
Mhm.
in conquering the NCLEX.
Oh yeah.
Na-mention niyo,
Mhm.
Miss Nona po kanina, no? You're struggling with work and studying at the same time.
Mhm.
How did you manage your time effectively while studying for the NCLEX exam? Like, how do you study from what time to what time and how many days? Is it every day or every other day?
Nag-start talaga ako nung everyday na, lalo na dun sa roadmap, January. So, ang diskarte ko noon, syempre hindi ko natatapos kasi syempre pagod na pagod ka na. Nagpipicture ako nung topic, dun mismo sa roadmap, pinipicturean ko. Tapos, kapag dun sa likod ng kitchen, kasi dun kami kumakain, kasi doon walang camera kasi bawal ang cellphone sa kitchen. Oh, bawal yan. Diskarte na lang habang kumakain ako, binabasa ko dun sa cellphone ko. Ganyan pala. Ganyan. Oh, tapos kapag nagbibigay kami nung mga pictures doon sa may isang side doon sa facility na walang camera. Minsan kapag may hinihintay ako na buksan yung pintuan, kasi hindi ko alam ang mga locks paano ko maibibigay yung mga pictures, mga eyes. Nag-scroll na muna ako ng cellphone. Doon nagbabasa ako. Parang diskarte na lang. Kasi
Yeah,
determinado kasi talaga ako na sabi ko kasi sa sarili ko, gusto ko by year 2024 gusto ko maging USRN kasi hindi naman forever kitchen aid ako. My God,
yeah,
ayoko. Ganun yung mindset ko talaga. Sabi ko,
yeah.
ayoko maging kitchen aid forever. Gusto ko maging USRN.
It's
So
all
that's
about
it.
the mindset, no?
Yes,
You really
mindset
have
talaga.
to have a positive mindset all throughout your
Mhm.
NCLEX preparation. Kasi if you don't have the positive mindset, it will drag you down. Parang
Yes, I
lalo kang
agree.
panghihinaan ng loob. I understand where the, ano pa, no, mga classmates natin. Kasi minsan nag-a-add din yung mga stress sa work, sa family, and their personal lives.
Mhm.
But don't you worry, you have your coaches with you. You can talk to
Yeah.
them.
Mhm.
They will not just give you advices, no. You can lean onto them. Want someone to talk to
Mhm.
just rant about your personal things. You can
Mhm.
also reach out to your coaches, and for sure they'll be able to listen to you. And I'm very curious, Ma'am Nona, with regards to the SATA naman, no? Any test taking strategies po did you use to approach different question formats on the NCLEX?
Nagaganyan ako. Oo, kasi during practice questions, I always lack one or two with the options. Lagi
Mhm.
akong kulang. Sabi ko, my God, kailan ba ako mapuperfect nito? Hindi ko alam kung paano sasagutin. Basta ang alam ko na lang, during exam, binigyan ako ng mahihirap talaga ng mga
Mhm.
questions. And I know, after 2 days, naisip ko, naku, dahil yun nga yung advice ng kaibigan ko, dahil binigyan ako ng computer ng pahirap na question, meaning nasa good standing ako, makakapasa ako. Yun na lang yung inano ko, doon na lang ako kumapit. Oo.
Kasi sometimes, when you approach SATA, nauunahan tayo ng takot or ng kabakagat. Hala, SATA,
Yeah,
di ba?
siguro dahil doon. Kaya siguro nahirapan pa ako nung na yun.
That's why
Yeah.
din, it's really important when you do your practice question, you have to love SATA. Kasi you must expect SATA will appear to your actual exam. Hindi pwedeng
Yeah.
hindi mawawala yan. So
Mhm.
talaga dapat you have to practice answering SATA questions para in a way you are confident enough to answer all the SATA questions na ibabato sa
Mhm.
inyo ni NCLEX. So right, for
Yeah.
example, no, when you approach SATA, so let's say ano yung mga simptomas. So you have to question yourself, what are the symptoms? So it's like
Mhm.
answerable by yes or no yung mga options yan. Then
Mhm.
you are given a whiteboard and a marker. Para
Mhm.
doon yun napapractice how to choose the correct answer na rin. Para hindi kayo nangangarag to click the mouse dun sa mga
Yeah.
tamang sagot.
Mhm.
And any obstacles po you face during your NCLEX preparation and how you overcame them.
First, because we're very new here, the stress of coming here, number one. Then second, yung work. Need mong mabalance ang work and review. But then priority ko kasi talaga nun review eh. Lahat na lang ginawa ko na diskarte kahit bawal. Oo. Hindi naman nila alam kaya okay lang. Oo.
Wala, malalaman na nila.
Oo. O hindi naman nila alam, oh. Basta yun, nag-aaral pa rin ako kahit nasa kitchen. Oo. Ano talaga ako, determinado ako.
I mean, that's really important, no? Alam
Mhm.
mo, yan yung parang mafi-figure out natin along the way. No matter
Mhm.
how stressed you are, no matter how tired you are, as long as na gusto mo yung ginagawa mo and you want to
Yeah,
achieve something, walang makakatalo doon.
yes.
Babalik ka ulit sa determination mo, sa
Yeah, that's
commitment
true.
mo in reviewing.
Mhm.
So, for example, you just have to rest, no? You
Mhm.
have to be kind to yourself. Pag pagod ka after work, when you got back home, just rest for a few minutes, then
Mhm.
go back to review.
Yeah.
I know it's easy to say, no?
Mhm.
Pero once you have that practice every
Mhm.
single day, mababago yung mindset natin.
In fact, sir, yan din sir ang ginawa ko. Sinabi ko yan kay Coach Jen dati kung anong ginagawa ko kapag ganyan na stress. Kasi sinabi ko ang mga problems ko dito. Ang inaano ko, dyan ako sa garden, eh mahangin. Parang
Mm,
gusto ko, patas nagpe-pray na lang ako na sana po, God, dalhin na lang sana ng hangin ang problems ko, ganyan.
yeah, wow.
Oo.
Ganda
Ganyan na lang.
naman.
Tapos, kumakain ako ng ice cream. Mahilig ako sa ice cream. Yun na lang, oo. Tapos, I watch movie. Yun. But then, kahit po fellow nurses, even when you take a break or have a rest, at least kahit sa araw na yan, makasagot kayo ng 150 items. Yan ang naging mali ko noon, nung first take ko. Kasi 'di ba COVID. So,
Mhm.
reschedule ng exam. So, may times no na hindi na ako nakakapag practice ng
Oo.
questions. Yeah. Ang point ko is habang nasa momentum kayo to answer questions, sundan nyo. wag wag niyong ikakat. Yun ang ginawa ko ngayong second pag-take
Uh,
ko. Oo. Hindi na ako, nasa momentum kasi ako eh. Alam mo yun? May fire within me. There's a fire
yes.
within me. Yeah, totoo yan. Totoo yan. Kasi kahit pagod na pagod ako, parang ang utak ko, gumagana pa. So, kaya yun, nasa momentum ako, kaya sagot lang ako ng sagot kahit pagod na pagod ako. Tapos yun.
Tama naman talaga din yun, no? No matter what sa situation natin ngayon, no? As long as we have the goal, you have to
Mhm.
maintain the momentum at least.
Yes,
So tama
yes,
yun,
that's
ma'am,
it.
no? You start with those who, our classmates, no, na hindi pa nagtitake na practice questions.
Mhm.
You can start from answering at least 15 questions, 20 questions, until you can reach 85. So the
Yeah.
moment na kaya nyo na mag-85, please increase po as days pass by para makapag-reach tayo ng practice questions up until 150, which is the
Yes,
maximum number of the questions sa NCLEX exam natin. Para
yes.
on the day of NCLEX exam, dumating man yung point na yung numbers ay nag increase from 86 onwards, you are
Mhm.
prepared to answer
Yes.
the highest number of
Mhm.
questions.
Mhm.
Para, ano ba yun, prepare talaga tayo.
Totoo yan. Ginawa ko yan. Dahil
That's
sa
great.
advice ni Coach Jen.
How did you assess naman po, ma'am, yung mga strength and weaknesses mo during the review? I know nabanggit niyo po kanina, no, pharmacology ang weakness po niyo.
Mhm.
But any type of assessment did you do para ma-assess niyo yung self niyo? What are the strengths and what are the weaknesses? Like, do you prioritize the difficult subjects, then least priority yung mga easiest subject?
I prioritize, yun nga, 'di ba nasabi ko yung dun sa Archer, yung may
Mm,
categories kung saan yung ano ko. Kung ano yung weakness ko doon, bumaba ako. Dun yung pinag-iigihan kong ano, sagutan.
mm,
Kasi parang may nagsasabi sa akin na yung weakness kong yun pwedeng lumabas, which is totoo.
yeah.
Feeling ko kasi talaga ginaguide ako ni God. Feeling ko talaga ginaguide ako ni God. Tapos yun, kaya yun, kung ano yung mga weakness ko during my practice questions, yun ang pinag-aaralan ko. And kung i-review yung mga dati, ano, nasa status quo lang yung mga ano ko, yung strength ko dun sa
Mm.
categories. So ibig sabihin, kapako na. Kaya dapat pag-igihan ko yun dun sa weakness. Kaya yung pharmacology, nakuha ko yun during ano. Mm. Lalo na yung ano, yung mga side effects ng gamot.
Yeah.
Once na binigay itong gamot na to, oh, naano ko yun, madaming ganun. Nakuha ko yun.
Kasi actually yung NCLEX exam is an entry level of exam for us international
Yeah.
nurses, no?
Mhm.
So we really need to know yung mga basic things that
Mhm.
we encounter or that they encounter in the US.
Yeah.
So it's really important for us to at least master the basics.
Yeah.
Minsan, no, we are so much focused on the difficult subjects and
Mhm.
we tend to forget the basic things like the fundamentals,
Oh, yeah.
the leadership and management, and the
Mhm.
safety and infection control. So we really encourage our classmates to at least read this or balikan itong topics na to at least few weeks before your actual
Yeah,
exam.
I agree. I agree, sir. In fact, sir, I think 25% funda of nursing lumabas.
Mm,
Yeah. Tama ka po,
okay.
sir. Basics ang lumalabas. I agree.
Usually,
Mhm.
basic, no, we really need to know the basics
Mhm.
para at least we are comfortable to answer any type of questions when it comes to
Oh, yeah.
basics. Sometimes it's a very tricky question. Every question
Mhm.
in NCLEX is very tricky talaga. So as long as we practice more of the Q banks, at least we
Mhm.
can hone our critical thinking skills.
Yes. Mhm.
So that's how
Yeah.
you do it. Nice work, Miss Nona. Any advice po for our students who will be taking their NCLEX very, very soon?
My advice first, you pray before and after studying. And then second, have a positive affirmation. Ako kasi ang positive affirmation ko, sir, yung name ko, nilalagyan ko ng BSNRN. Everyday, sir, yan lang. Tapos, para akong nagaano, tapos nilalagay ko itong right hand ko dito. Para siyang nagva-vibrate sa hand ko. Everyday, yan lang. And then, third, sir, yun, sir, when you're stressed out and then you're tired, you stop. If you want to sleep, you sleep. If you want to eat ice cream, you eat ice cream. You can walk, yeah, you can watch movie, yan. Take a break kasi kung sa ano, nagsisignal na ang body na pagod na. So, ibigay nyo sa body nyo yun, sa utak nyo, yung brain nyo lalo na, mentally, pagod na. So, yeah, kung sa ano, mahalin nyo naman ang sarili nyo. Ganon. Ganon. Tapos yung ikaapat, listen to your coaches, and fifth, believe in yourself. Maniwala ka. Mm. Kasi kahit anong pray ng pray mo, pero kung ikaw sa sarili mo hindi ka naniniwala, wala yan. Sa akin yun lang.
Thank you,
Mhm.
Miss Nona, for sharing advices po for our
Oh yeah,
classmates who will be
yes.
taking their NCLEX exam very, very soon.
Oh,
So, since na-mention niyo po kanina din na you are very determined to
mhm,
really pass the exam on a
mhm,
certain, like yung goal niyo po is very smart,
mhm,
specific, di ba?
mhm.
Measurable,
Aha.
attainable, realistic, time-bounded. That's really, really ano po, highly advisable. Can
Mhm.
you share to us po how the setting po of short-term and long-term goals have helped you stay focused and motivated throughout your NCLEX preparation?
Iniisip ko lagi ang family ko. Oh, lalo na ang anak ko. Kasi dumaan kasi kami ng ano dumaan din kasi kami sa hirap. So sabi ko, ayokong maranasan yon. So, nung tumungtong na kami, when we came here in US, parang nabigyan ako ng, wow, ito na pala, ito na ang life. Ito na yung karamihan, ito ang pinapangarap karating dito sa US. So yun, para sa short term and long term, laging pamilya ang number one. Hindi ko na nga iniisip ang sarili ko.
Oh,
Basta may good future ang family, yun na yun.
yeah, family is really
Okay.
important, no? When you want to
Ah,
achieve something. Kasi minsan sila, I mean, not minsan, no? Sila talagang inspiration natin. Why we are
aha,
doing this.
yeah.
I mean, I know you want a better life for your son and
Mhm,
for you as well and to
mhm,
your husband, most
mhm,
especially sa family mo.
mhm.
Talagang it will give you more drive to do more or I mean to do your best for this NCLEX preparation
Yes,
because of
yes.
your family. So, Ma'am Nona, since you are there in the US now, what's next for you?
Right now, I just apply for the RN endorsement to California. Yeah, and the status is still pending. Yeah, so I still have to wait till end of this month.
So
Oh,
now you're waiting for license endorsement na lang.
yes, license endorsement.
Wow!
Yeah.
Very, very soon naman makakapag-work na po kayo, Miss Nona, as a registered nurse in the US.
Ah, yes.
Certified USRN.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And Miss Nona, before we proceed with the lecture later on, we would like to present to you your IPAS certificate. This certificate is proudly presented to Nonalyn Aragon for successfully passing the NCLEX RN examination. This serves as a proof that the successful candidate indicated in this certificate is a safe nurse based on the USA Standards of Nursing Practice, signed by Sir J. Padong and Sir Mark Zaspa. Congratulations, Miss Nona.
Thank you, sir. Thanks, Sir John, Sir Mark. Thank you very much.
So, Miss Nona, um, may I ask, how did the entire IPAS team help you in achieving your American dream?
They've been very supportive, and coaches are very encouraging. You just need to listen and hold on to your dream. Tapos, always have positive affirmations. Same nung ginagawa nila before starting the lecture. Yeah, always have a positive affirmation. Kasi it would help mentally.
Thank you, Miss Nona. And
Okay.
laging may ganyan, most especially before Sir Ryan's lecture. And we
Oh,
have the
yeah.
privilege of Sir Ryan having with us tonight. Good
Oh,
evening, Sir
yeah. Si
Ryan.
Sir Ryan. Yeah, very funny si Sir. Hi,
Good evening,
Sir.
sir. Any message po to Miss Nona?
Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening, Ma'am Nona. Hi, Ma'am. How are
Hi,
you there,
Sir.
Ma'am?
Okay naman po. 4:54 in the morning na.
You are from California or West Side, Pacific.
East
Ah,
Bay area po. Oo.
so yeah. But that is what state, Ma'am?
California po.
Hi, okay. So that's yeah, Pacific time, right?
Pacific. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, Ma'am, congratulations, and I'm so
Thank
proud
you.
of you. I was also listening to your Hope Talk, and you have good advices, and yeah, it really inspire our classmates. And thank you so much, ma'am, for giving back into this community by having this Hope Talk. You didn't
Yes,
know,
sir.
or siguro hindi mo ma-realize na how important this is for them. Thank you so
Oh,
much for
yes.
inspiring them.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
congratulations again, ma'am, and yeah, God bless in your next journey. Thank you so
Yes, sir.
much, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Ryan.
I think I need to shout out to you now, ma'am. Shout out to Ma'am Nona.
Yeah.
Live shout out. I think team recorded to si Ma'am Nona. I'm not so sure.
Bihira ako,
Sometimes.
sir. Pero lately, hindi na. Kasi dahil
Okay.
sa work. Oo. Mm.
Yeah, okay. But that's okay, ma'am. The important thing is you are now a USRN.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
congratulations again.
Opo.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for trusting iPass, and good
Yes,
luck and
sir.
God bless in the next journey.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Thank you. Salamat.
you're welcome.
Opo.
Thank you, Sir Ryan and Miss Nona. Again, thank you for trusting iPass in helping you in achieving your American dream.
iPass processing made easy for you.